You did that one more time, and I'm gonna give you a good one. You hear me? Don't do, and you're doing it on purpose. It's a no-no. Don't you do that again. Yeah. Don't do it again, darling. Be good. Tell him to be good, Nico. You gotta be a good brother. Gotta be a big brother, don't you? Knock over another one of my books, and I'm gonna come over there and I'm gonna whoop you. Knock over one more book, and I'm whooping you. And I promise you this. Not my Laila Africa book, boo. You better pick it back up. Haru. You heard me. I said don't do it. And look at you. You keep doing what I tell you not to do. It's a no-no. You guys got your catnip down here and you still don't care. You're still just trying to get on me and fuss me out. I just took you out there and I'm not doing it again. It's a no-no. You tell them, Nico, it's a no-no. Yeah.